Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about movie review, which is really important for the students studying in grade 9 to 12. So, this video will be very much interesting as it incorporates the ideas and information related to movie review. So, let's get started. Firstly, the primary objective of movie review is to inform the readers about the film and ideas related to it, and advises the readers whether they should watch the movie or not. Especially, review gives us a mirror effect because if we get the information related to movie, whether we should watch it or not, will be clearly known after we watch it or before we watch it, and we don't need to completely watch it, and from the ideas we can decide if we are going to watch it or not. So there is one interesting formula invented for understanding the ideas of reviewing the movie, that is called ISAOCR. What? ISAOCR. This is the acronym which helps us to find out the stages of reviewing or movie review so that we'll not miss it, and our movie review process will be completed. So the first one, I means introduction, S means summary of the story, A means analysis of the movie, O means opinion, C means conclusion, and R means rating. So when we talk about the introduction part of the movie, what we incorporate or what segment do we include is given here. Firstly, we'll talk about the title of the movie and the releasing date. After that, we'll talk about the genre. This drama, action, suspense, thriller, comedy, romantic, and then we'll be talking about starring, protagonist or antagonist, director's name, producer's name, music director's name, budget, duration, runtime, language in which you are, in which this movie is released, explanation of what the movie is about. So this all information can be written in introduction section. Now there is summary of the story. Here we'll talk about plot, characters, and interactions. This will make our movie more precise and exact. Then, after the summary, there is analysis of movie, analysis of the plot elements, exposition, beginning, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution and ending. So, especially grade 9 and 10 will focus on rising action, climax, and resolution. Then analysis of creative elements, dialogues, writing, editing, scenes, location, characters, use of color, camera, techniques, cinematography, sound, music, choreography, symbols, costumes, or anything that contributes or takes any information from the overall plot. That is also analysis. Then we'll go for review, opinion. So, what is reviewer's opinion? What do you think about the movie? We should provide the backing ideas or supportive details. That's the way. The audience will like it or not will be decided. And finally, there is conclusion. The reviewer should announce whether the filmmakers could get success in as or purpose. If you see states the evidence and explains how the motion picture was helpful for providing a deeper understanding of the topic, so it will be given here, especially the idea. Finally, you can rate the movie according to your rating scale 1 to 10. If you just rate it in 10, that means the audience or readers or audience especially will watch it because you want it to be recommended to be watched. So these are some ideas about reviewing the movie. And if you want some more ideas related to it, you can just forward your ideas in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a great writing development.